Wine, the drink of celebration, relaxation, and sometimes a little too much fun. But have you ever stopped to wonder how this delightful elixir is made? Let's take a journey through time and uncover the fascinating story of wine, from its humble beginnings to the sophisticated bottles we enjoy today. Hello, winemates. For those who have just visited our channel for the first time, welcome to the Tasting Trove YouTube channel. This channel is all about food and wine, with simple tips and fun insights will help you elevate your palate and dining experience. Join us on a delightful journey, subscribe for tasty food and wine pairing tips, and enjoy a dash of culinary adventure. Picture this. It's around 6000 BC in the fertile valleys of what is now Georgia. Early humans experimenting with wild grapes accidentally stumble upon fermentation. They notice that these squished grapes left out in the sun transform into something intoxicating. And just like that, wine was born. Initially, it was more than a drink. It was a magical potion believed to connect mortals with the gods. As civilizations grew, so did the love for wine. The Egyptians revered it, using it in religious ceremonies and even burying their pharaohs with it. Fast forward to the Greeks, who not only enjoyed wine, but also had a god for it, Dionysus. They introduced the concept of wine as a social drink. And then came the Romans, who took winemaking to the next level. They developed techniques that are still used today, like pruning vines and aging wine in wooden barrels. By the time the Roman Empire expanded, so did the culture of wine, spreading from the Mediterranean to the far corners of Europe. Now let's fast forward to today. So how is wine made? It all starts with grapes. Specifically, the type of grape matters. Winemakers select their grapes carefully, as each variety brings unique flavors and characteristics. The grapes are harvested, crushed, and the juice is extracted. Next comes fermentation. Yeast is added to the grape juice, which converts the sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. This process can take weeks. After fermentation, the wine is aged, sometimes in barrels, sometimes in tanks. This aging process helps develop the flavors we love. Now here are some fun facts that might surprise you. 1. Did you know that wine is one of the oldest beverages in human history? It's been around for over 8,000 years. 2. There are over 10,000 grape varieties used to make wine. 3. And here's a quirky one. The world's most expensive wine, a 1945 Bordeaux, sold for over $500,000. Talk about a vintage. So there you have it. From its ancient beginnings to the sophisticated process of winemaking today, wine truly has a rich history. Next time you sip on a glass, remember, you're not just enjoying a drink, you're partaking in a tradition that has spanned millennia. Cheers to that. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wine knowledge and food pairing tips. Happy sipping and sampling. See you next time.